Let's take a look at the USD versus PLN and see where we can identify supply and demand areas. On the monthly, we have a clear uptrend. You can see this trend line here. It's a clear uptrend with monthly supply zone ahead and a monthly demand zone right here. On the weekly, it's a clear uptrend as well, but you can see this trend line and a area of demand right here on the weekly. But you can see that there's a candle that formed this week. It's closing below this trend line here, so we know that price is overextended. It's a rally base. So this trend line is a very aggressive trend line, but since the trend line broke, I'm going to remove it, and it's signifying that price may be retracing to the downside. On the daily, trend line broke again. Trend line broke, and price is retracing to this area of demand, which is also located within this weekly area of demand right here. So we're expecting price to drop down there before we can go long, because our highest time frame, the monthly, is telling us that price is going up. Weekly, price is gonna go up and down through these zones, and our highest time frame is saying to go long. Our middle time frame is saying that price is losing steam, is retracing. So we want to go long at these areas of demand. Same with the daily. Price is retracing this to this area before it can go long again. So that's what we want to do. We want to go long, but also, yeah, I just noticed that price may be retracing actually down here, because this zone is, because it's a rally-based rally, it's overextended, so price could break this zone and retrace lower to down here actually. So in this case, we want to wait to see if price is going to bounce. If it's going to rally and form engulfing candles and going back up, then you can buy, but ideally you want to buy, down here, because this zone is, price is overextended, so this zone may not work. This zone is the same as this zone, so it may not work. So looking for a bigger retracement, you can look at the charts again when it gets down to this area, see if it's gonna go form any bullish engulfing candles and whatnot. But we're not, this zone, and the more I look at it, it's going to, since it didn't retrace, when it comes back, I don't think it's gonna work, but just wait for confirmation to see if it's gonna work or not. On the 4 hour, it's a downtrend. It formed these areas of supply zones. That did not retrace, but it's in a clear downtrend. So need to wait for a bigger retracement before going long. And that is the analysis on the USDPLN. I hope you guys found this tutorial helpful, and I'll see you in the next